In today's video, I would like to share with you my 3 easy tips on how to make exercising or workout fun. These 3 easy tips help me to create a sustainable fitness lifestyle, also help me create a consistent workout habit. Coming up. Hey, what's up guys, this is Max. I'm just an average working dude with a busy lifestyle who is on the journey to find my max in physique transformation through a sustainable fitness lifestyle. I welcome you to join my journey and hopefully we can help you to find your max. Today's video are brought to you by Find Your Max Personal Workout Journal, and we will talk more about that later. So today I would like to share with you my 3 easy tips on how to make exercise or workout more fun. Now this is super important because in order to create a sustainable workout habit, you really need to making sure the stuff that you're doing are fun, because the more fun that you can associate to all your workouts or exercise, the easier it will be to create that workout habit. And that is super important because we know that having a sustainable fitness lifestyle is a marathon, right? It's not a sprint. So if you're constantly doing the things that you don't like or it's not fun, it is super hard to create that habit. So even up till now, I'm staying very consistent with my workout habit thanks to all these 3 tips. Alright guys, so the first tips I want to share with you is finding an exercise that you truly enjoy. Now, I understand when we first started, we might get lost, we might not sure what kind of exercise that we should be doing. People would suggest that, hey, you should weight training. Some people might say, hey, you know what, the best way to lose fat may be doing like a Tabata workout or a HIIT cardio. I understand that's great, but however, when we're first starting, I really want you to focus on creating that habit. And creating that habit is finding something that you truly enjoy. Let's say if you've never done weight training before and you go into the gym and you're probably gonna be intimidated, so maybe you can see some people who worked out like, 10 plus years and then they can bench like, I don't know, 200, 300 pounds and you're intimidated. When we first started, your muscles gonna burn up and it's just not a pleasant feeling. Now, if you don't enjoy this workout, it's really hard for you to really sustain it, right? So even though in my mind, I think resistance training is a great way to lose weight because you build your muscles, but if you don't like it, I really don't think it's a good way to start. I'm a big fan of 80-20 rule, so you can start with like 80% of the things, doing the things that you like. Like for example, if you like walking, maybe using 80% walking. And 20% are the stuff that you not truly enjoy, maybe like 20% of weight training, right? Yes, it's not the best, are you gonna get that best result? Probably not, but by doing this long term, at least you're gonna create that habit, because every time you perform an action, if there is positive feeling associated to it, you're gonna create a habit much easier. All right, my tip number 2 is just simply track your progress and celebrate the small wins. Human body is super impressive, where if you start applying little pressures or stress to it, your body will adapt, right? But the funny thing is our body are made to sustain stress and improve ourselves. A lot of time it is our mind who are prohibiting that, right? So I think what we need to do is just keep track of what we're doing. We keep track of, let's say if you go out for a run, for a walk, hey, if you only did 20 minutes today, well, keep track of it, right? Write it down, what day it is. I did 20-minute walk, and maybe next day you can, add a couple minutes to it or add an extra kilometer to it, right? And as you progress, and you will look back and just like realize the progress that you have made. And I find this is a great way for me to make my exercise more fun. It's like why people are addicted to game, right? A lot of time now we gamify a lot of our experience. I think this is one way for you to really gamify the workout experiences, which you can see your progression. You wouldn't be able to really see the progression if you don't keep track of it, right? So I think it is super important. Keep track of whatever you're doing, right? And compare from time to time to see that, hey, if you progress or not. So this is a great way for me to really compete with my old self. Let's say like, oh, last week I was able to bench X amount of weight. Now this week, I'm gonna see if I can bench additional weight, right? And I'm just getting better each week. It's such a satisfying feeling when you see yourself progress and you see yourself grow. And that's a feeling that I'm slowly getting addicted to it. That's why I am like staying very consistent, and I just love going to my workouts. Before we go to tip number 3, a quick word from today's sponsor, Find Your Max Workout Journal. Find Your Mac Journal can track 96 days worth of exercise with a special table of content system, which can help you go back to your old exercise records with ease and clarity. We have sections for you to track your progress periodically so you can stay motivated. Find Your Mac Journal is only on Amazon. The links are in the description down below. Now back to the topic. Alright guys, my third and final tips for the day is just simply be more social. You can be social, doesn't matter if you are online or offline, okay? Try to get your friend to kind of be on the same journey with you who have the same goal, or find an online community that can support you. I believe having a support system is truly important, and it can really bring ourselves up when we're feeling down. You can simply work out with a friend. That could be a very great way to kind of hold each other accountable. You know, when you are not feeling to go, but if your friend go like,
"Yo, Max, man, are we ready for the workout?"
And you're gonna be like,
Yeah, I am.
But really I'm not, right? But having a friend that just call you out on it and hold you accountable. Maybe try to find an online community that is really supporting, right? I know there's a lot of gym that offers free online lessons where you can just drop in on a Zoom and you can just kind of work out together as a group. And I think that is actually super cool because you know that, oh, all those people are doing the same workout as you, right? We are still in the pandemic right now, so I think, you know, maybe a group lesson is not good. However, there are different, more creative ways that you can use online to kind of stay connected and be social. One of the cool ways that me and my buddies did, there was a time we using like a Zoom call and having our plank challenge. We can just, you know, we were doing planks or we were doing workouts right in front of the cameras going through it. And I think that was a great experience and I think that was fun. And by doing that, we are exercising. So exercise was fun. All right guys, I hope today's video can really help you make your exercise more fun and really creating that sustainable fitness lifestyle. If you're a fitness beginner and you're looking for a starting point, I have a free resource for you. I created the Ultimate Beginner's Workout Guide that you can download right now. The links are in the description down below. And I have also created a playlist that will help you to create a sustainable fitness lifestyle. The playlist, you should be able to see it right about now. All right guys, until next time. Peace.